We welcome our marvelous Mahila for the day, Ekta Sehgal Malhotra. She's the founder of Manas Management Advisors, Craft, Motherhood Club, and M Cube. She's a financial mentor, a parent, and an entrepreneur. She has 19 years of experience in her field of financial services. She's extremely passionate about creating an environment of learning across the spectrum.
गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वेलस महिलास। आज जो हमारे साथ मार्वेलस महिला जुड़ने वाली हैं उनका नाम एकता सहगल मल्होत्रा है। वो फाइनेंशियल मेंटर है। तो मैम से ही सुनते हैं मैम के बारे में। प्लीज लेट अस नो मोर अबाउट financial mentorship. What all are you trying to like cover in this, and what type of awareness are you imparting? Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, so thank you so much for having me on Aman Mahila Ka. It's a beautiful title that you have chosen. कि आप ladies की respect के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and the respect can be in any form.
Yes.
So you've already introduced me. My name is Ekta Sehgal Malhotra. I'm the founder for a financial distribution company called Manas Management Advice.
Okay.
Manas नाम इसलिए क्योंकि Manas relates to intellect, दिमाग, right? And I do financial mentoring also, and financial mentoring across the spectrum from children to men and women, but with a very strong focus on women, महिलाओं के ऊपर। क्यों? क्योंकि जो महिलाएं होती हैं वो हर एक क्षेत्र में निपुण हैं, सक्षम हैं। उन्हें किसी भी एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है काफी चीजों में। बट जब बात आती है अपने फंड्स को मैनेज करने के लिए, अपने पैसे को मैनेज करने के लिए, वहां वो पीछे हट जाती है। एंड इतने साल इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के बाद 2016 में व्हेन आई वाज ऑन माय फैमिली वे एंड सिंस आई हैड मोर टाइम टू रिलैक्स, तो मैंने एक दिन बैठ के सोचा कि मेरी कितनी महिलाएं क्लाइंट्स हैं, हाउ मेनी लेडी क्लाइंट्स डू आई हैव, और मैं शायद 2 उंगलियों में उन्हें गिन पाई थी।
I can understand.
Which means effectively 6. And 2016 में मुझे 15 साल हो गए थे काम करते, तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि 15 साल में सिर्फ 6 लेडी क्लाइंट्स थे जहां वो डिसीजन मेकर, not second holders I was talking about. That led to the genesis of a program called Mentoring on Money Matters. So to begin with, I crafted this program for a telecom company where I was addressing 30 mid management women. एंड जब मैंने ये सेशन को ड्राफ्ट किया, एक होता तरीका कि मैं जो भी फाइनेंशियल टेक्निकल टर्म्स हैं उनको लिख देती और उस लेक्चर को डिलीवर करती। बट आई न्यू कि द मोमेंट आई विल मेक इट वेरी टेक्निकल, तो जो ऑलरेडी इस फील्ड में नहीं घुसना चाहती हैं वो और पीछे हट जाएंगी कि दिस इज जस्ट टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। एंड आई डिड माई रिसर्च, एंड वन ऑफ द वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन दैट केम आउट वाज कि बिकॉज इट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी टेक्निकल, और हमें बचपन से ये बताया गया है कि जो भी चीज बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है, मैथ्स रिलेटेड होती है, नंबर्स रिलेटेड होती है, उसमें गर्ल्स नहीं हो सकती है। इट इज बेटर, ये मैथ्स है, ये तुम नहीं कर पाओगी, ये ऐसा, ये तुम नहीं कर पाओगी। सो आई थॉट मैं किस तरीके से इस चीज को मैं समझाऊं, एंड आई फाउंड एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग वेरी हैंडी। एंड अगर मुझे कोई एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग करनी थी, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैड टू डू वाज break the myth. The myth that investment or money matters is a man's world. No, it is not. It is definitely not a man's world. It is everybody's world. I would say कि अगर बचपन से ही आप बच्चों को पैसे की वैल्यू सिखाएंगे, उससे क्या हमें मिलता है और क्या हमें नहीं मिलता है, उसका एक बेसिस समझाएंगे, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझाएंगे, they will be able to manage money much better when they grow up. और अगर ये स्टीरियोटाइपिंग हम हटाएं कि औरतों को ये चीजें समझ नहीं आती हैं, उन्हें सिर्फ पैसा खर्चना आता है पर संभालना नहीं आता, जो कि बहुत ही गलत बात है, क्योंकि घर का बजट तो लेडी ही मैनेज करती है।
Exactly.
तो ऑल आई टेल देम इज कि आप घर का बजट मैनेज करते हैं, आप इतने सारे रिसोर्सेज को मैनेज करते हैं, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज टेक वन स्टेप अहेड, विच इज जो आप बचा रहे हो अपने डे टू डे से, आप उसको इन्वेस्ट करो। एंड अगर आप एक बहुत सिंपल तरीके से फाइनेंस को पोर्ट्रे करें या उसके बारे में समझाएं, I don't think that there will be any women who would want to shy away from it. And also my endeavor is कि through these programs, whether I do it on social media, whether I conduct my own program, और for that matter अगर मैं blogs भी लिखती हूँ, तो वो भी एक simple language में होता है ताकि पढ़ने वाले को ये ना लगे कि oh my god ये मैं क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ या क्या पढ़ रही हूँ, and so that many and more women get encouraged to attend these kind of programs because that in itself is a challenge. They do not want to attend these sessions. आप उनको मेकअप के लिए बुलाइए, आप उनको कुकिंग क्लासेस के लिए बुलाइए, आप उनको फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेशन के लिए बुलाइए, डांस एंड ड्रामा के लिए बुलाइए, they will be more than happy to enroll themselves. But when it comes to a financial program, there are very few who actually want to make that effort. So that is my endeavor to these mentoring programs, to reach out to as many women as I can in different forms of the resources that I have, whether it is through Facebook Live, it is through webinars, it is through radio episodes, or it is through blogging. So that is what Maninder, I have been trying to do.
Great. Absolutely great. I must say, because as a chartered accountant also, I can connect with all this. And I have seen women like shying out and they have been earning, as I have already told you, that I have seen every woman trying their little hard to save, but they are hesitant in investing and very reluctant in investment going. So I would like, out of my curiosity, want to know what all type of resources or financial resources like you suggest women to go for.
Okay.
Any type of.
So basically, yeah. So it is a very long run process. As a chartered accountant, जब भी आप किसी की tax filing करते हैं, तो आप पूरी details लेते हैं, right? Income क्या है, expense क्या है, क्या आपने tax के लिए planning की है, और कोई capital gains है, short term gains है, और कोई income है. You keep persuading them to give you more and more information. So similarly, when you do a financial mentoring program with someone, या अगर आप किसी के लिए उन्हें help करते हैं कि वो investments करें, तो इट्स अ प्रोसेस जहाँ पे आप उनकी रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेसिटी समझते हैं, उनके गोल्स समझते हैं. तो एक पूरा एंड टू एंड प्रोसेस होता है जानना कि वो कहाँ है और वो कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
Bridge the gap in between.
Yeah, you have to coach them.
Yeah, so you have exactly, that's the perfect word that you have used, that you need to coach them, and that is why I like to call myself as a financial mentor.
Yeah. Ma'am, next question पे चलते हैं. I have seen you doing Motherhood Club and talk shows, and we would like to know what was your inspiration behind doing all this, and also let us know why do you choose this topic of doing this Motherhood Club and talk show.
Yeah, that's a very good question. Motherhood Club is basically a club that has been created for mothers, as the name suggests. And obviously, Motherhood Club की inspiration कोई और नहीं हो सकती है, वो एक mother ही हो सकती है, right? So I myself am a mother, and I draw a lot of inspiration from my mother.
Okay.
And all the mothers who I interact with, whether in terms of my work or otherwise. So last year, we felt that my daughter is about 4 years old. So we were a few friends who had children of the same age. And I used to hear them, and I realized that once you become a mother, you predominantly forget yourself.
Yes.
Okay. And sometimes it is for the good, sometimes it is not for the good. Sometimes it leads to postpartum depression. Sometimes it makes you more energetic. So there is a plethora of emotions that go through you. कई बार आप अपना वजूद खो लेते हैं. तो मुझे ये लगा कि अगर हम एक ऐसा क्लब बनाएंगे जहाँ पे वो आके अपने दिल की बात कर सकते हैं, उन्हें कोई हेल्प चाहिए, because when you go through the 9 months of pregnancy and then you take your 6 months of maternity leave, and then when you want to get back to work after a long break or a sabbatical अगर आप रहते हैं, either you get rejection from the corporate world or your own mind rejects कि नहीं आप नहीं कर सकते. You don't feel capable because you haven't been able to hone up your skills. So I thought कि let's create a club for the mothers. So the professionals को तो सब पूछते हैं. And then I thought that it might be a great idea to conduct a talk show exclusively for mothers, whichever profession background they come from, whatever maybe their child's age, but she has an abundance of knowledge and experience to share with the fellow mothers. So we've been conducting these shows for the last 2.5 months, and we've had varied topics that have come from a mother talking about a failure and success story of a child, a mother talking as to how as a family they dealt with a mental health challenge, a mother who initially was a helicopter mother and then became a lighthouse mother. So different ideas, different thoughts come out of this conversation. We recently had a mother where she biologically is not a mother, but she's a mother to many. Through the coaching program that she conducts, or through the the awareness that she's creating about menstrual health. So it is not about what you are professionally. It is more about you as a mother. And I feel very, I would say, enriched after these sessions. There is a sense of accomplishment, I would say, because, you know,
can understand.
I'm
I
able
can
to
associate.
talk to a fellow mother. Yeah, I'm able to talk to a fellow mother and get so much to learn. We also had a mother, you know, where she spoke about that how important it is for both boys and girls to have a happy mind from the start of their puberty, because that eventually leads you to be you know, a set of good parents. So different topics, and you know, my idea is to encourage mothers to come, talk, share their journey, learn something, unlearn something, and like enrich the journey of being a mother.
Great. Let us know any social change you expect in society, जो आपको लगता है कि society में है, वो change होने चाहिए women's के लिए. Please let us know on this platform, ma'am.
देखिए, I will definitely correlate to my profession, because I think कि जहाँ पे ladies financially independent होंगी, अपने आप वो एक the so-called gender equality and liberalization की हम बात करते हैं, वो automatically आएगा. Most often than not, because women are not working, or they feel that they do not earn as much as their counterparts. Men work, you know, उनको जो salary मिलती है, the salary gap that is there, तो वो aspect नहीं bridge होगा. And the only way you can bridge that gap is by doing investment, because then you will reach a point where you can live your life comfortably without being dependent. And by being dependent on someone or not being dependent on someone, I don't mean that you don't need a partner or a companion. What I mean is that you will lift your head up and live a life of dignity. And that is where I think the true liberalization of women will happen, or the gender equality के ऊपर. अभी recently there was Gender Equality Day, you know, International Gender Equality Day on August 26th. So if we want to achieve that, we need to work on our learning, we need to work on our knowledge, and we need to work to be financially independent. The moment we are able to do this, I think the gap that has been created, which is more in the mind, will automatically get bridged. So I think this is one change that I would want to happen in this society, and to let go of the stereotyping. कि लड़कियां ये नहीं कर सकती हैं, या लड़के ऐसे कर सकते हैं, या आप लड़की जैसे बिहेव मत करो, आप लड़के जैसे बिहेव मत करो. Let the person be who he or she is. तभी हम एक you know, male and female represent 50% pretty much of the, you know, of the population. So let us not be the 50% insignificant, let us be the 50% significant, and both are equal.
Yeah, both are important and equal. Ma'am, we have a last question for you. Any type of message you want to give to the women who will be watching you on our platform, like any piece of advice? Apart from financial advices, I am sure you'll be adding that. But apart from financial,
sure. Yeah. So my one piece of advice to women will be yourself. You know, work on yourself. Don't lose your identity just because you become a mother, daughter, wife, or a grandmother. Because first and foremost, you are you.
You are you.
And if you cannot take care of yourself,
don't expect others.
Whatever you may do for anybody else is all a wish wash. So be the center for yourself and let everything else revolve around you, and you will be the best that you already are, just a notch above.
Great, ma'am. From our entire team, ma'am, please accept our deepest thanks, sincere thanks and appreciation. It was lovely having you here, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.